guys, welcome once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how you can Dockerize your application. What I'm going to use here is a Django application. But the concept is the same no matter what kind of application or web application you want to deploy. So this project is going to involve Django application. Obviously, the container is going to involve a Postgres database. And then we are going to use the tool Docker Compose, which you can use to build several images at once. So let's start. Oh, by the way, to show you the outcome of the application that we are going to build, for example, or rather the application we are going to containerize, it will be something like this. This is the app. This application displays a weather forecast of different cities. So whatever city you type in here, for example, it shows you the weather forecast. Let's check London, for example. It shows you the weather forecast. So let's check New York. It shows you the weather forecast. So that's what this application does. But what it does not really doesn't have anything to do with what we are going to achieve now. So no matter what kind of web application you have, the concept is very similar. So just keep on watching till the end, and I hope that this tutorial is going to be helpful to you. So let's get started. Before we start, I'm going to show you a couple of things. So there are some settings in our project which we are going to first of all look into. By the way, the application I'm trying to Dockerize is, as you can see on my screen, is a Docker web application. We are going to start by going to our settings, and in our settings of our Django project, in the allowed hosts, we can specify there something. If you already have your web host, for example, you can put it there. But in this case, we can just use star, which is not something you do in a real world project for security reasons. So usually what you should have here is your host name. But because we are going to run this inside of Docker, so we are supposed to have something there. So in this case, I'm using the star sign. So the next thing we are going to do is what we are looking at here is the default database that the Django web app usually come with. But what we are going to do here, like I said already, is that we are going to use Postgres. So for that reason, we are going to delete what we have here and add our Postgres information, as you can see. So first of all, we have this as quickly stuff here. So let us import OS. Import, I think it's OS. So once we import that, those quickly stuff goes away, as you can see. If you have used Postgres before, or if you have worked with Django before, you can understand what these things are, right? So we have the engine, the PostgreSQL engine. We have the username, the database name, and so forth, the port name, the password. So I believe these are all the things that we need here. So let me save this.